So one thing I wanted to talk about is a little bit about our tensioning system. Like, once again, these posts here, we just put this on for display, so they're like a foot apart, and in real life they'd be 4 foot apart, so I want to mention that. But we have a tensioning system that we use, and that tensioning system eliminates any need for turnbuckles or anything like that, and you actually just swage the cables off, so you have a very sleek cable and not a big bulky turnbuckle or something here as you see in some cable rails. So I like that real well. The other thing is, this cable rail system does meet building code, but you always want to check with your local building official and make sure that you're doing everything to code. In Anchorage, they have a great handout on their website, on the muni.org website, so that's always a great one to go to. All right, thank you.